bench. Oh, you gotta wash your hands before you come in.
Salad? That's not
Each
lunch.
year, thousands of seasonal travelers suffer from a condition known as SNS, more commonly referred to as stinky nomad syndrome. The good news is that there is a cure. Visit herosoapcompany.com today and help batch end the scourge of needless funk, while also helping veterans in need. Just pick your soap and enter batch at checkout for your discount and help a vet today. It's that easy.
I did you a favor by fixing your vehicle. You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years, and it means a lot. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome, and that's why I'm doing this.
Hey everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. Hopefully you can hear me. The chief is in the engine room, which is right next door to me, behind that wall. Anyways, he's doing some grinding or something, and so it's kind of loud in here, so I'm talking kind of loud. But anyways, today I am making a roasted garlic parmesan Brussels sprouts. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, you will like it this way. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. Be right back. Okay, first thing you do is you get a large bag of Brussels sprouts that are frozen, and you soak them in water to where they're mostly defrosted. You want them still a little hard, so it helps with the crispiness. All right, and I'll show you what we do from here. Okay, each one you got to cut in half to where it's like this. This is a lot of cutting, so you just keep doing this till they're all cut. Now the rest of the ingredients you're going to need is granulated garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. Those are the only ingredients you need for this. So be right back after I get this cut up, and I'll show you how I mix it all together. Okay, now we've got the granulated garlic and the Parmesan cheese and a plastic bag. Put this in about however much you think you could use. I always do a little extra. You know me, I don't measure, break it all up. Get the garlic, and don't be chintzy on the garlic. Don't be afraid of that garlic. As you can see how it separates right there, that's about how much I use. Maybe just a little bit more. There we go. Put it together. And mix it all up. Whoa, didn't seal all the way here. Blooper. By the way, I got a trash can right here. That's the reason why I'm not sweeping it on the floor. Let me just hold the top here just to make sure. Shake it all up like a shake and bake. Until it's all mixed together. There we go. Be right back. As you can see, I got them all cut up in half here. Now, Don't be chintzy. Oh, gotta get more on there. Forgot one item. Be right back. Now I know why it's not sticking so well. Olive oil. You gotta coat it with olive oil too. So help with the crispiness. There we go. Now it's looking right. A little bit more over here. Sprayed with Pam. You pour it on and spread it out. Try to keep them from being on top of each other if you can. Sometimes I make too much, but these guys, they love it. Just spread it out. This type of bottle with my olive oil because the jar of olive oil is huge, so this is easier to handle. Now you put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour. Just after a half hour, check it. If you see the crispiness, it's done. But I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So be right back. Doesn't this look good? Look at this. It has the crispiness to it. Oh, don't that look good and yummy? Just stir it up. And then serve it up. Look at all that crispiness. Again. Here's one. Hold on. Be right back. Okay, guess what I'm going to do? Now this is hot. So, very hot. Ow, it's burning my fingers. Doesn't that look good? Hold on. Oh, well. There we go. How's that crispiness? Oh God, that gives great flavor to Brussels sprouts. Anyways, that is good. Ooh, that's really good. Hold on, one more. Oh, I love this stuff. It's called cracked Brussels sprouts. That's what the original name is, cracked Brussels sprouts. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you're new to my channel, click on that subscription button. Then I'll click on that little bell so you can get more